Welcome to our channel Solution Expert, where we make mastering SAM Cengage projects easier than ever before. Whether you're a student looking for assistance or seeking additional resources, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through completed solution for Shelly Cashman Excel 2019 Module 3, SAM Project 1B. With our years of experience and skills, we achieved 100% results. For any solution or help, please contact us via the links given in video description. We are available 24/7. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more SAM Cengage project solutions. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll tackle another challenging project. Until next time, happy learning!